Winnie the Pooh has many great friends. Come now, and you'll see a story about how he made another. One autumn day, Rabbit was quite excited to see that someone new had arrived in the 100-acre wood and appeared to be moving in. So he gathered the others together to see who this someone might be, only to find that this someone was actually two someones.
Roo? Roo, dear?
Here I am, Mama.
It's an invasion. You think they're fierce? What does fierce look like? That's what fierce looks like. She swallowed him whole. He'll be eaten for sure.
Are you all right?
Don't eat me!
Why, you must be Piglet. I'm Kanga, and somewhere around here is Baby Roo.
I'm not a baby. See? I can do this.
Oh.
It's very nice of you to go out of your way to welcome us.
Oops. Sorry.
Oh, Roo. Piglet, it's almost breakfast time. Would you like to come in for a little bite, perhaps?
I do like the sound of the taste of that.
It didn't take very long for the friends to realize how very nice Kanga was. And with Rabbit, Roo appeared to be making quite a splash.
Let's do it again. This is a fun game.
Oh.
Hello, dears.
Mama, look at me.
Roo!
I like you, Rabbit.
I like you too, Roo.
So in short time, they all became the very best of friends, and